Okay, hello my friend. Hopefully that you are doing great. So in this lesson, I want to share you about the test dependency in TestNG. So for example, we have a situation that we want to do something before we need to test this method. So you already learned about the before methods, but now it is something more specific that you want to have another test method. And you think that after that method is done successfully, you will do this one. So you don't want to put it in the before method hook because this that will be something similar to your test. So you want to see whether user can create successfully something, and it is one of your test case as well. So you want to execute it. But if that case is failed, so that means you don't want to execute another test case depends on that test method. So for example, I will have another test. For example, this is the test method publish for. So before logins, I want to do something like, for example, I want to do a registration for the user. So reg register user here. And what I want to do inside, I just do something like system.printout, and I will print out something like registering the user. And then before I log in, I will say dash is this method will depends on the method, and in this case, I just want to provide the method's name here, register user here. So what does that mean? That means if this test is successfully, so this test will be executed. But if this fail, it will not execute this one. Okay, so let me try to run the whole class here. So I want to edit the configuration here, and then I will select the test guide E class. Okay, and then I will run all of them. Okay, 3 of them is now running with correct credential here. What's the problem? Okay, so this is the one the failure. But anyway, it's not what we are talking about. So now what I want to do that I will try to fail this one. So because I already imported the static access class here. So when I call that mean I will call the access.fail. So I put a message that uh, registering user fail, something like that, to see whether this method will be executed or not. Okay, and then I run it again. So you can see here, this is the login with the correct credential, and you can see the test is ignored because in the register user here, we have register user failed because we try to make the test fail. So that means we have just this successfully that when this is passed, we run this one. When this one is failed, we are not going to run this one. Yeah, this is the purpose, right? So for example, if I try to comment down this one again and I run again, so this time if you run 3 the methods inside this test class, okay? Because it doesn't make any sense if I do something like register the user and that process is wrong or something. So, I don't need to do something like the login user with correct or incorrect credential anymore. So this is the purpose. So don't try to put something like prepare date or something like that. If you have another test and you see it's a real test case, but that test case is, something like the preconditions for another test case. So you need to put something like depends on methods, and then you put the method name inside. Okay. So try to practice yourself and see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.